We are back at it again, guys. We are now here at the port in Galveston, getting ready to do what?
Cruise!
Yay, it's cruise day! I'm excited. Are you excited?
Let's do this.
I'm telling you. Alrighty. See ya. We'll see you back on the ship.
Here we go. Carnival Miracle, here we come. Well, good morning. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Carla. I'm Carla.
I'm Daniel. We are Hoovers on the Move.
Hoovers on the Move.
Hoovers on the Move. Good afternoon. We are Hoovers on the Move. As you may know, I am Daniel.
And I am Carla. Stay tuned. Right after this commercial. Boop.
Alright, I was just going to let you know, since we are platinum, we were able to go ahead and drop off our luggage and stuff in the room as soon as we get on the ship. But then you will need to leave your room, go back out, and then after 1:30, then they'll open up the doors to the hallways out there by the elevators, and then you're free to do whatever you want to do.
So we will do a room tour in just a little bit.
All right, here we are, 6206.
Welcome to
And there's Mother.
our inside stateroom this time.
Dallas Cowboys, yes.
So we're in the hallway. Ooh. And when you turn around and go towards the door, you're going to find the first closet on the left. Lots of hangers.
If you need that many for 2 people, you might be scared of water. Let's see. We got another one here. Long hangy stuff. Has a spot where you could put another bar if you had one. And then last one here, we got 3 shelves plus a bottom floor shelf, and you got the mirror. Say hi, Mom.
Hello. Trying to clean up our desk.
There we got the standard light off on, that kind of thing. I think that's a porch light. I don't know. Could be a porch light. Could be bathroom.
You got 2 hooks right outside the bathroom
2
door.
hooks. Yes. Okay.
And then you'll have 2 hooks on the back side of the door.
Right there. And your switch is outside, so don't forget that when you go in. All right, we got the greenery. All right, you got the shelves on both sides, glass, mirrors. You got your little makeup mirror close-up thingy, make jiggy thing. You got your towels, you got your toilet. You got your shower. Now the shower is one that has the shower curtain. Then you've got the little string that goes across there for hanging shorts and stuff so they can dry inside the shower instead of in your stateroom. They do provide for shampoo and your shower gel. They do have that if you're okay with that stuff. They do have a couple of bars of soap here. You got your spare toilet paper, and you've got a trash can, and you've got to watch your step, which I almost tripped over. All right. So what do we got in here, Mom?
So then
Let's see.
you have a little table. So in case we both needed to do some work. For some reason, we only have 1 towel, beach,
Yeah,
outdoor
only
towel.
1 are allowed at a time at the pool.
But we got this cool light right here. We haven't figured out how to turn it on yet. And
That ain't it.
the last time we
Oh,
had,
oof.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
and some of them are
And that's
not
with
on.
2 lights out. You got a bulb out there. You got a bulb out there. What?
Oh, that turned it on.
Oh, there's where the other 2 bulbs went.
But then you're gonna have your nice little TV area, and it is small. We don't spend a lot of time in our room, as you guys are very well known if you watch our channel. We don't stay in our room much. But right underneath the TV, you're gonna have that safe. Minus all of this. Remind you guys that these are $5 a bottle. So, or no, $4.50 now. We're $4.95.
$4.95, yeah.
But anyway, and
but being platinum.
Yes, we get these one a piece free. So we already went and picked that up so we can make sure to drink plenty of water while we're on the ship.
Where did you pick those up, Ma?
At the casino. No, not the casino bar. We went to the main atrium bar and picked these up. Yes. This ship does not
any
have...
bar, just about any bar, I think, has the bigger waters.
Yes.
That are the free waters that are included for what?
Gold and up.
Gold and up.
So it'd be gold, platinum, and diamond.
So even you gold people.
Yep, can get a bottle of water. And here you're gonna have your fridge. It is been updated and they are vented, so it does stay very cool in there. Okay. And then you come around, we have some nice artwork, and we have 2 tables, no electrical plugs at all.
None over there.
But I do like that this has drawers. There's been a few ships here lately that we've been on that haven't had drawers, and I like to have drawers by the bed.
Yeah. See, 3 drawers here, 3 drawers over there.
Yeah.
You got your light with your little clicky light there, but there are no plugs
anywhere. So over at the desk area, you do have 1 plug.
And if you are a couple, they put your beds together. If you are singled out, then they will separate these beds and put the end tables in between, so that way you have 2 separate beds. So yes, this is separated right here in the middle.
I can insert a picture of what it would look like for with the twin beds right about here. So
okay,
at the desk, show the desk with the plugs and the chair. You get 4 drawers and things there, and that's about it. Like, this is the basic of basics.
You get 1 single regular plug. You got a 220, I think they call that, one of them European plugs. Then you got the light switch, of course, for these lights that are almost working. Then you have a ring phone.
Oh, fun.
Yes, you have a phone. You got your little drawer here that contains all your materials for your dry cleaning, washing, and all that stuff. Over here, you should have, you got your hair dryer. And then you got some hair drawers, just regular drawers. Then you got your stool, and you have a trash can under there.
So can I tell you a surprise?
What's that?
So this little room that you guys just saw, that the 2 of us are going to be spending the next 12 days in, is perfect. But this room is actually set up, look at the ceiling, for 4 people. There are 2 beds right here that come out and down, so that your steward will set that up. So this room is actually set up for 4. And they come over the bed. And so you're sleeping here and they're sleeping there. So just FYI, you know, some of the configurations of the inside staterooms for, you know, families can be a little tight. Like, I wouldn't suggest doing that, but for a budget family, that works, you know, and if you're not scared of sleeping under one of those. So, guys, I wanted to remind you, I am a travel agent. So if you are interested in finding some details about Carnival Miracle or any other cruise line, I am actually licensed through all of the cruise lines. So you can contact me right here at this address, and you know, and I will me or Daniel will get you some quotes. We'll get you geared up with what you need for your next vacation. So with that being said, we are going to head out and we're going to go find some food, I think, and we're going to go to the party on the Lido I don't know, but we're gonna bring you guys along with us, and we want you to hang out. So, Hoovers on the Move
We're out.
is out.
See ya.
Bye.